Hi folks, Dr. Eileen O'Connor, and a couple of things in preparation for our meeting. And since we're meeting in October, we're going to have a nice Halloween theme. And if I bring the lights down, you're going to see I do have some glowing jack-o'-lanterns, which will be part of an optional treasure hunt you can join. But what I want to point out now is around our initial meeting space, and let me put the lights back on, you'll see I've got these things that I'm calling note card givers. Okay, now I'm now holding Alt down on my keyboard. I'm going to zoom in. Let me zoom in around here. Okay, and you'll notice that one of them, when you come over it, it says note card giver for Marian, and this one tells you how to get around Marian. It's a little hard to see with the light behind it. Let me turn. For Marian Locations, the goldish ones are going to give you a note card. And if you remember, a note card is just a generic item that within it, the note card person, creator, can put different things. So I've put in directions to different parts of Marian Island. If you want any more avatar clothing, I put them together. You could click this one. But for now, I'm going to show you what happens, get this out of the way, when you click the note card giver. And there are a number of these around the place. If you look, I've set them up. I don't want to spend class time giving you these note cards. It took too long with the big class. So if you go around, you want to get the note card for sure that's in the goldish area. Now, I've scrolled back a little bit. Let me come in closer. I'm left clicking on the note card giver. And this actually opens the note card and shows it to me. I just clicked and dragged it out of the way a little bit. You're going to get this notification towards the top right. Say that you want to accept this. When you do that, this will put this into your inventory. And before I actually do that, notice that in this particular note card, which will vary, I have in it places throughout Marian Islands that I've indicated. If you click this directly, you will go there. I'll show you that in a minute. If you click this, you'll actually go to these quite directly. But let me close that for a minute and let me just accept it. Okay. So I accepted that note card. It's in my inventory. Now I have a ton of things in my inventory, so it's going to be a little bit hard to just demo this one for you. But what you do is you open your inventory icon, go up under note cards, and find any note cards you've created. Now again, I have a bunch of them. Sure do. VR fall locations. So I can open this, and just to show you how this note card works, these are just descriptive terms about the note cards, and what I'm going to do is show you that when you click one once, it actually, let me move myself out of the way, opens up this menu for landmarks. These are landmarks. I'm going to click teleport, and then it says, do you really want to do that? And I click it again, and lo and behold, I am over at this particular landmark, which happens to be on the top of the Middle Eastern Middle Eastern island. So if you want to go to any of these particular places, let me go back to the central meeting place. It's a little boring, but I'm going to click it once. I'm going to click it again, and now I'm back to where I started because I was at the central meeting place. So you don't have to go to these places now, but if before the class you get a chance to get the note card, that'll make the class go faster. And if you have a little time, you might want to actually open some of those locations and go to them. You land properly for all of these, but remember to come back when the class starts because you're going to be doing some exercises together. But if you can open those note cards in advance, we can work a little more expeditiously. So thank you, and I'll look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.